tamarind powder and salt half a teaspoon each and water. Boil the bitter gourd for 2 to 3 minutes or 4 minutes and then a pinch of fenugreek, onion, garlic and tomatoes. Fry it till it becomes soft. Added few curry leaves and then fry it till the ingredients tomato, onion, etc. and also the garlic become soft. I have taken 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of roasted fenugreek and also the cumin seed powder, and then half a spoon of Kashmiri chili powder and half a spoon of sambar powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Right. Now paste of tomato and also onion, 1 onion and also 1 tomato, big apple tomato paste. Now you can see that the oil comes out of it. At this stage, one size tamarind, I will take the water and add. Now adding tamarind water. I will add the salt now. When it boils for 3 minutes and the tamarind and the raw smell of masala goes away, coconut and mix it well. You can add the fine coconut paste or coconut milk, 50 grams. Now I have added the boiled bitter gourd with the water and then let it boil for say 10 minutes at medium flame, and then let the water reduce to 3/4 and the oil layer comes up. That time we will leave it for simmering. If you want more taste, you can add 1 tomato and also the coriander leaves when you are leaving it for simmering. Now let it cook for say 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, the gravy is reduced and the bitter gourd is well cooked and mixed with the masala. Now you can add 1 teaspoon of ghee as usual I do. It is optional, and then bring down the flame and keep it for 30 seconds for simmering. Then put off the flame and leave it for 1 or 2 minutes. Let it cool and then serve it. It is very tasty, healthy, and people say that it cures diabetes. One thing I want to tell you, I don't know how far medically it is true, but most of the Ayurvedic naturopathy people say that we should not take milk, curd and mango and also the lady's finger and what else, etc. When we take this milk, curds, lady's finger, mango, radish, we are not supposed to take when we are taking the bitter gourds. It will have allergic reaction. Sometimes it may be very dangerous. So please keep that in mind and do it. Thank you so much. Hope you will enjoy my recipe. You will like it, share it with your friends, relatives, etc. And then do comments and subscribe to Nani's Kitchen. And don't forget to press the bell icon to all so that you can see my videos first. Thank you so much for watching it.